stride in the first quarter of 2015. It didn't exactly shrink like it did in the first quarter of 2014, but it pretty much stopped dead in its tracks, growing at an annualized rate of only 0.2%, 0.2%. I'm Elise Glink. Here's today's Real Estate Minute. Analysts had expected a low number from the Commerce Department's Bureau of Economic Analysis, according to about 1%, according to a Wall Street Journal survey. The real number, or at least the first number, was even worse at 0.2%. With the margin of error, it's quite possible GDP went negative in the first quarter of this year. Economists reasoned that the harsh winter would put a damper on economic activity, and it did wind up being a really significant factor. And that's a big shout out to my friends who live on the East Coast. But my sense is this isn't the only problem our economy is facing. According to a report by Chico Harlan in the Washington Post, where I publish my weekly column, the St. Louis-based financial research firm Macroeconomic Advisors ran the numbers and estimated the winter did in fact slow the economy down by 0.8%. That could explain some of the disparity between the analysts' expectations and the Commerce Department number, which, to be fair, is a preliminary number. We'll get a better sense of how accurate that number is in a month when we get the second revision and then another revision down the line. But a lot of economists aren't sure that the economy this year will rebound to a 2% plus annual rate in the next quarter or two. In fact, they're now predicting the next quarter or two might be as dour as the first. So what's worrying them? Try negative interest rates in places like Switzerland, political instability in the Mideast and Latin America, and the fact that wages still haven't risen much in the past 20 years. If you're trying to buy or sell real estate, pockets in this economy are going to be strong, but it still looks to me like the economy is following the real estate path, where everything is local, local, local. That doesn't speak much to national numbers, but if you're buying and selling real estate, it's something to pay attention to. I'm Elise Glink. If you want to learn more about investing in real estate, check out my Intentional Investor, How to Be Wildly Successful in Real Estate series. You can find it at thinklinkstore.com. Use the discount code BUYNOW, one word, for substantial savings. And be sure to visit my website and sign up for my free weekly newsletter, where you'll see that I'm working to rebuild America one house at a time.